Hi, welcome to Gila's Crafting Space. In this video, I will show you how to make an easy decal mesh wreath. We need decal mesh, scissors, pipe cleaners, and one 18-inch frame. You can get the frame at any crafting store or even Dollar Tree. We're gonna turn the frame to the back. As you can see here, this is the back part of the frame. So we put it on the mat, and then we're gonna tie the mesh into the frame using my pipe cleaners, like so. So we're gonna tie it to the back, and then we're gonna turn it over and work on our wreath. For this project, I used 1.5 or a little more than a half, maybe 1.25 of decal mesh. So almost 2 rows. The decal mesh, I got it from Hobby Lobby when it was on 50% off. So this wreath is very similar to the burlap wreath that I made in my previous video. I made one similar as this one. It's the same method. It's just a different material I'm using right now. The other one was the burlap, which is a thicker material. And this one is mesh, which is more flexible. The only thing with mesh is if you're very sensitive, it might scratch your skin, and that's the only thing. I like that it has a lot of fabric to work with, which is really good. So one row, you can make a lot of project with one row. Alright, so what we're doing here is we're pulling in the material, and then we pull it up, and then we repeat the process over and over. So here I have about 5 or 6 loops, and then we do the same on each section. It's about 8 sections, I believe. Let me know if you like, or if you would like to see more wreaths of decal mesh. I've done a few. Usually when I do the most is fall season or Christmas. Those two. I get a lot of requests of decal mesh wreath. So let me know if you would like more tutorials on how to make more different styles of decal mesh wreath. If you would like to learn about that, I can make more tutorials about that. And the thickness of the wreath really depends on how much you pull out the material. So this is like a medium size wreath. So I don't want it too full or too thin, so I'm not pulling that much. So all this process is just repetition. There's a lot of repetition here, because we're gonna do this over and over all the way until we finish the whole wreath. So you can put on some Netflix, listen to music, YouTube, whatever you do when you're crafting. Okay, so here I had to open another row, and the way we're gonna do this is we're gonna tie it to the end of the remaining of the other material, the other mesh. Just gonna use like half pipe cleaner, and then we're gonna tie it together and continue the process, as you can see here. Normally these wreaths, I just use this method as a base, and then after I'm done with this, I add different ribbons, or I even add greenery. I decorate it different ways. So this is basically just a base for my wreath projects. You can do that, or you can just leave it as it is. If you like the simple style, you can leave it like that, or you can add more material, or even different colors of deco mesh. I've done that. I've done it with like 2 or 3 different colors of mesh. It looks really nice, especially for fall or Christmas. I use different fall colors or Christmas colors, and the ribbons and the sign and everything, like all together, it looks very good. I'll probably be posting more tutorials on how to do fall and Christmas in a couple months. So if you haven't subscribed, you can subscribe to see more of those fun videos very soon. Okay, I'm almost done here. Also, let me know what days would you like to see me post my videos, because I don't have a schedule yet, and I was thinking of making a schedule so I can upload my videos certain days of the week, because right now I'm just doing it whenever I have a chance. I don't really have a steady schedule yet. I was thinking maybe 2 times a week, but I don't know what days yet. So if you want to help me out with that, you can put it in the comments below. Which days will be the best? You can also follow me on Instagram at Wreaths by Julia. I have Facebook. You can find me at Wreaths by Julia, and TikTok, the same, Wreaths by Julia. So this is the remaining of the roll. I'm going to use it for a different project. And this is how it looks on the back. So, and I'll show you the front. And I'm also going to show you how I tie a bow on this wreath. So this wreath, I'm making it for a 4th of July wreath that I've been working on. Okay, so this is the back and this is the front. And here's my bow. You can see a tutorial on how to make this bow, my previous video. I made it using a bow Dabra, which is a bow maker. Okay, so insert this here, and then we're gonna tie it with our pipe cleaner. I also want to say thank you to all the new subscribers. I really appreciate that, and I hope you'll enjoy these videos. Let me know what other type of videos you would like to see, and I'll work on those videos. Or if you have any questions about any wreaths, just let me know. Send me a message on Instagram, or you can write it down in the comments. Okay, so I'm just tying the back, and this is how it looks. I'm not done with the wreath yet. I just wanted to show you how to tie a bow. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and you have a beautiful day.